I created ENSPACE because I was tired of seeing companies stuck with rigid systems. Systems that claim to be flexible, but in reality only work for one specific department or change extra for every small change. I want to do things differently. I want to create software that gives you freedom, real freedom. ENSPACE was born from that idea to be a Lego for your work. You can start with a ready-made template or build your own solution from scratch, your way. And the more ENSPACE evolves, the more possibilities you get. Every new feature release doesn't limit you, it expands what you can do. That is a big difference from off-the-shelf software or those tools that force you to hire consultants just to change a single field. We built ENSPACE so you don't have to adapt to a tool adapts to you. That is our purpose, and we're just getting started.